Hello, what is your name? My name is Monty.
Hello, my name is Lisa. How are you, Monty?
I am good. How about you?
I am good too. What is your father's name, Monty?
My father's name is Robert Allen, and yours?
My father's name is John Clark.
Where do you live?
I live in New Friends Colony.
Oh, that's great. I also live in New Friends Colony.
Oh, what a coincidence.
Can we play together in the park?
Yeah, why not? It will be fun.
At what time?
How about at 5 p.m. in the evening?
Okay, that's fine. See you in the park at 5 p.m.
Okay, done. Nice to meet you, Monty.
Thank you. I'm also glad to meet you. Bye bye, Lisa.